Hello. Papunta kami ngayon sa bahay ng friend ko. Yeah, may
And I'm very bored.
May banding kami kasi pupunta na sila sa Japan. So, kaya bago sila umalis, magbabanding muna kami sa kanila. Ayun. Hinihintay lang namin si Daddy. Si Royce pagod, maglaro.
Uy,
What's your boyfriend?
Hi vlog. Please subscribe.
Do you know it's the trampoline
Hi.
Hi Tita Enzo.
Hi,
Nag-umpisa
Bebe.
na tingnan si Mark.
Hi!
Kailan ako huli na, nasugatan pa ako.
Hi, Bebe!
Nakuha
The
lang na yun.
trampoline is like this, but my dad's going to build the trampoline.
Yeah.
Ang dami nito.
It's going to be big like this. Because I am now one of
Yay! My favorite. Ang luto ni Cindy Pancit. And pares. First time niya.
The board. Hey, you.
Ano eh, so kailangan mo kape? Oh, hindi naman nalasing.
Thank you!
Cheers! Thank you! Mataba yung chicks ko dyan. Uy, mama ka pa. Sisigat tayo, Tina. Sisigat tayo.
That's not very fake.
Paano na lasing ka mo?
She's saying that.
Ano ka na kasi yan? Dalawang tatlong beses nagsiya. Tatlo.
Isasend
Yan
namin
yung
sa
tawag na vibrator. Basta pagdating sa pagkatal, kailangan ko lang tsuhan.
Punta ka ba yung Chuwa? Ano, Japan?
Ay, oh, my tsu.
Chuhay. Pang birthday, happy birthday. Advance, diba? Advance. Wala ako.
Hi ka dyan sa vlog ko para
Hi, vlog.
Uy, narinig ako. Hi ko. Mga guests ko nga daw kayo.
Hi, vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button.
Dami ng subscriber.
33,000. Sino?
Oh?
33. Talaga? Walang 1,000.
Oh yeah, okay, so where's my gift?
Kanino to?
Akin na, akin.
I'm gonna buy pa. Let's go buy first. Ano pa kailangan natin?
Bye-bye. Bye, guys. You buy your cinnamon.
Ang ingat. Alam ko malayo yan.
You did it.
Mga dalawang kanto.
What's your gift?
Dahil na yan to eh.
Bye na.
Your gift is nothing. She said bye.
Bye. Ano to, Ayla? Enjoy Japan. Wow.
Kasi mo. Hindi ka na bro.
Kala mo picture eh, no? Uy, sila.
Oh, maya namin ako sa TSC.
Say bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, flag.
Bye, vlog.
Yes, see.
Ano nga, kapwa niyo yung sikat niyo?
The twins.
Yeah, that's it.
Hindi parang sad sa twins.
Paalis na eh.
Yung ano daw, one na si Piero.
Para sa Batman.
Get to be.
Ingat kayo sa Japan. Ingat sa biyahe.
My God.
Dadaan pa naman kayo ulit dito. Di ba?
Just a video. Just talk.
Ayaw lang inom na kasi.
It's gonna be on YouTube. Just talk.
Bibigyan ko
She's
yun.
talking.
Ikaw ba sila?
Baka muna.
Sige guys, sa Japan.
Ikaw in Japan na. Okay. Bye!
Bye.
Kailan mo? Kami naiiyak na yan. Baka mo na yan. Dito kayo. Sila.
Bye, vlog.
Minsan na alam. Bye, guys. Bye, Aita. Hindi makikita kayo ng pagkatina.
Bye, everyone. You too.
Bye, everyone. Hindi makikita pa kami dito pa. Sa kanya talaga.
Putang. Mga putang. 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 Oh man.
Good morning. Nakabalik na kami ng Monterey.
Yeah, and I'm the one sick now, not her.
Ayun, hindi ko na na-video yung pag-uwi namin kagabi kasi late na kami nakarating. Ayun. And then, sa Wednesday, may pasok na si Royce.
And I'm gonna use my VR later because I haven't used it for 4 days.
So, ayun. Nag-enjoy naman yung bakasyon namin sa San Diego. Marami naman kaming nagawa. At happy naman ang magpipinsan. So, yun. Next time na lang ulit pag hindi na busy si Royce. Say bye-bye now. Till next time.
Bye. Hi guys, I'm getting ready for school.
Are you ready to go to school tomorrow?
No comment. It's my first day of third grade.
It's your first day of third grade.
I'm scared.
You're scared? It's okay.
It's still the same school, so I don't know if I have the same classmates. Except for Jackson, my friend. There's no picture, but it says his name.
Okay. You finish your food?
Oh. Ow! Hi guys, we have to walk on my first day of school.
Yep.
Because my dad has a meeting. And my dad has a meeting.
Yeah, malapit lang naman yung school niya dito. Kaya okay lang lakarin.
Yeah. It's just over that hill, over the stairs, and all the way up and then straight. Which is actually kind of far.
Okay.
Alright, let's see this, babies. This way. Rayleigh.
You're so tall.
Excited?
I need to get me. They're crazy.
One second.
Right there, Royce.
So I can go there.
Yeah, and you're not if you guys can find each other.
Mabel, when school's over, can you try going over there and getting me so you can walk over?
We'll wait and see what the teacher says. You probably would need to go to Vegas.
Hi, Arby's. Hi, Arby's. Thank you. Actually, $5.
Arby's.
Hi, Shake Shack.
Arby's.
You guys should definitely go to Claire's. All for you. I never go to Claire's. Yeah. Bye. Bye. I'll see you at home. Or at when school's done.
Okay.
Where's Valeria?
Have a good day, okay?
I saw her.
Royce.
Walking in. She's right there.
Have a good day, alright?
Okay, bye.
It's a new. Well, I did the tour. Sorry.
So, nahatid ko na si Roy sa school. Pabalik na ako sa bahay. Naglalakad na ulit ako. So, exercise na rin. So, yun. Ang gagawin ko ngayon dahil mag-isa ako sa bahay, maglilinis lang and then punta ako dyan sa, sa gym. Dito sa malapit. Magpapapawis lang ako. Then, that's it. Tapos antayin ko na lang ulit sila pag uwi. Yun lang. Sa bahay na ako. So, dun na muna. Dito muna natatapos kasi maglilinis na ulit ako ng bahay. Mga pinaggamitan namin. So, yun lang. Hanggang sa susunod.
Hi.
Hi.
How's
My
school?
shoulders hurt.
Yeah. How's school?
Good.
Good.